This is the Jenkins Law Library video tip of the week, and this tip is about Google Chrome. There's a new version of Google Chrome, version 23, released during the first full week of November. And why should you care about that? Well, I don't want to get super geeky on you here, but there is an interesting feature that they added, and it allows you to change the permissions for websites at the individual website level, not just globally. What does that mean? Well, for example, let's say you go to your favorite news site and maybe just for whatever reason the images kind of just get on your nerves. Well, in the old days, old being before the first week of November, you would have to change the permissions globally, turn off images, for example, for every website. Now, in Google Chrome version 23, if you click up here, you can say, on this particular website, I always want to block images. Okay? And then when you reload the website, those pesky images go away. Now there'll be placeholders for things like the ads, and in the case of this particular website, the name is an image, so there's a placeholder for that. But the site is much more serene. It's not perfect. Some of the ads will still display, the flash-based ones and so forth, but it is way more serene, if you will. And there's other permissions as well that you can change, things like whether you will allow pop-ups or whether you'll let scripts run and so forth. So it's a nice feature. Another thing to be aware of is while you're here, you can determine whether your connection is encrypted or not. And that comes in very handy because there are times when you're making a purchase or doing something, searching for information, and you don't want other people to be able to snoop on what you're doing. You'll be able to tell whether your connection is encrypted or not. So this is a nice feature, and just another reason why I really like using Google Chrome.